Second thing is you ask yourself if you have any standards regarding to architecture, IT architecture. So the way different computers and different sensors are communicating to each other. And if you want to change that, if you don't have those kind of standards, you also can do it by yourself, or you can do before implementing this traceability. The second, the next thing will be, source codes for PLCs, for sensors, for some IT systems, which should be involved and which should communicate with traceability system, right? Because if you have it, there is a big chance you can implement the traceability. Sometimes you need to implement traceability system inside of existing PLCs in the machines. Of course, it depends on different processes, but this is one of the ways, right? And this is the most important things. And the last one would be like a general overview of, you can think about how much you want to automatize the entire process of data flow. I mean, if there is a possibility that all of the data to traceability system will be taken from devices, sensors, PLCs, ERPs, and so on, or there should be a manpower involved which have to write some data inside of the system or type something manually.